So welcome back friends. This is our fourth video, and you can see we have already designed our core of our case game, right? But few of the points we have left that we are going to cover in this video, along with some modification that we will make this game like ours. So first check what are the things we left. So first of the thing that we left is we are using an expect after this to make it having to show the error message instead if we just face any error, right? So instead there is another thing that we can add is we can add okay. So if the result will be like okay, it will return the num, and if there will be an error, it will just continue. So we can just add these things. Also we will see how we will break the loops this program, right? So before applying this, we will modify some of the program. Like here we have secret number is generated before, right? So in the because we are generating secret number inside a loop. Let me show you our code. See, so we are generating this number before the code. So it will change as the loop will run again and again, right? So we don't want that. So we are going to have some modification here. So I will just cut it and I will just paste here outside of loop. So it will generate a number, right? Okay, and after this we will also print this as random range. So we will have this println after the user input, it will print and guess in the range, right? And we want also like println to show the user a chat is cheat, and it will show user information what is the random range that we generated. Random is and sorry rand range rng range. So it will show a check. That's the modification we did. Now as here we see uh, if we the comparing the random range, right? It will show like two small correct guess and two. Okay, we will come into that, but before this we change it this line, and we'll just add it, and in the add we will just okay. Okay, I think that okay, we need to add the number. Okay, add num. Okay, add num, and we will just give it a num if comma, and then we will have like err, and instead of err we add error, and we will just tell it to continue. That's the thing. I think we need to have to set this comma. We need to apply comma here, and after this just colon. So I think there should be no error. Okay, after the parse I have this one started, and I've written this let guess is equal to u32 match guess dot trim dot parse. So let guess is equal to u32 guess dot trim dot parse. Then we have this one space, but it's showing error. I don't know why. There's supposed to be no error, right? But we are getting some kind of error in this. We will look. We have to look after this why we are getting error. And we have std sump ordering and std io. Everything is set up. Okay, let's copy it. Copy and try to paste as it is. taking the input. Let's go to VS Code and just, and this time we haven't received any error. Why? Let's go back and add, paste it, compare it. So we have match. Okay, I forgot to write the match here. Okay, so if we write match, now it's not showing any error, right? So I think the code will work like this. Like if the guess will be U32, it will try to match two things. Okay, first we will take the guess.trim.parse and we'll try to, if the number will be like okay, we'll give out the number. If there will be an error, it will just continue. Let's try running this, control S, and I will just try to run. Okay, it's building project. It's asking me to run a number and 45, and its JIT is 63. We'll type now for 56 again. See, it's not changing, and we are getting a guess the number. If we touch 63 again, so it's giving the correct guess, but it's also not breaking the loop, right? Again, but we have already given the correct answer. Okay, now to the solution, which is given as per the document is like we have to add this break, uh, break thing side of like equals to let it know we need to like stop looping from here. Okay, let's go to our like game, and in the we have like equal in the, have to, and instead of the println and enter it, and in add a semicolon and a break right there. And now if we save the program and run again, and if yes, if our guess will be correct, should stop running, right? Let's do cargo run. It's running. There a number, I will just add 5. Okay, the number was 20, too small. Let's now add 20, and now the correct guess and the program ended. Okay, so I think we have done learning this, so we understand how this will work, trick will work, and we have to use the match okay and error to get the number, or let's continue. So if get error, can we print something? Let's try. And I can just format it, but I'm just pressing enter. Continue to ln macro, error occurs some wrong, right? W wrong. And now if we just run it, cargo run, go run, and we should be getting this building. Just enter a number instead of the number. I am just entering S. Something went wrong. We got error, right? So this thing got printed. This is how we handle the error, I think. And if the okay, if the be like okay, just give it the number, and if we get the error, we will just print this statement. Now continue is I think optional again. So if we want, we can just use the break to get out of loop from here also. Okay, so we are developed our like simple, very simple game of guessing. Now this is we are really a simple program, and we are in a beginning phase. In the later phases of the later tutorials, we will continue to learn more, and hope we will learn together and explore more of the concepts of Rust. Thank you so much, and keep watching. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys.